Many people see a used truck at good price and immediately think it's a great deal. But the truth is, a cheap truck can sometimes become a very expensive mistake. The engine is the most expensive part of the truck, and major repairs can cost a lot of money. If something does not look right, ask questions until you are completely satisfied. If you are planning to buy a second-hand truck in the UAE, this video is for you. Many people see a used truck at good price and immediately think it's a great deal. But the truth is, a cheap truck can sometimes become a very expensive mistake. Before spending your hard-earned money, take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Today, I'll share 5 important things you should check before buying a second-hand truck in the UAE. First, engine condition, the heart of the truck. First and most importantly, check the engine. The engine is the most expensive part of the truck, and major repairs can cost a lot of money. Start the truck and listen carefully. Look for unusual sounds, oil leak, excessive smoke, or signs of overheating. If you're not confident about checking the engine yourself, bring along a trusted mechanic. Spending a few hundred dirhams on inspection can save you thousands later. Second, service and maintenance history. The next thing to check is the maintenance history. Ask the owners for service records and repair invoices. A truck that has been regularly serviced usually has fewer surprises. Also, don't just rely on what the sellers tell you. If possible, talk to previous drivers, mechanics, or transport company, the staff who may know the truck's history. Sometimes a simple conversation can reveal information documents don't show. Third, accident damage. Now let's talk about the damages. Get underneath the vehicle and inspect the frame carefully. Look for cracks, rust, bends, or welding marks. These can be signs of previous accidents. Again, I am telling you, don't hesitate to ask the seller directly if the truck has been ever involved in a major accident. A genuine seller usually be open about the truck's history. Fourth, tires, brakes, and suspension. Let's check the tires, brakes, suspension system. Many buyers overlook these items, but replacing them can be expensive. So, check whether the tires are worn unevenly. Test the brakes during a drive and pay attention to how the trucks handle on the road. If the truck pulls to one side or feel unstable, it could be indicate a suspension problem. Fifth, documents and ownership verification. Finally, always verify the paper. Check the registration, insurance records, ownership details, and any outstanding terms. Make sure the chassis number on the truck matches the documents. Never rush through the steps. If something does not look right, ask questions until you are completely satisfied. Conclusion. Overall, before buying a second-hand truck, remember one simple rule. Don't buy with your eyes. Buy with your knowledge. Take the truck for a test drive, talk to mechanics, ask other truck drivers for their opinions, and verify every document. The more information you gather, the better decision you'll make. A good second-hand truck can help you earn money for years. A bad one can sit in the workshop and drain your savings. So take your time, do your homework, and make smart investment. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trucking and logistic content.